Yes, the thrust bearing. It was a tough job for me. Too much trial and error and fails. Yes, amateurs beware. These are the grooves or slots that I was talking about that must have enough space to get that thrust bearing in position. To get the space, you may have to adjust the crank forward or to the rear to adjust. And you can do this with a screwdriver. I hope this illustration I created makes some sense. It doesn't take a great amount of effort to move the crankshaft. This picture is to help with orientation. I'm reevaluating some of the recent installs, and this could cause me to go back and have some rework. We'll see. Found some damage on number 3. I'll have to sand and polish out any high spots.
I don't know if this is going to come out on the camera. I'm out here inspecting the journals and checking out a number of different items that may be insufficient to move on yet, and this is one of them. I found a little nick in this journal, so I'm gonna sand it out a little bit and make sure it's got a little lip on it because I can feel it. You know, they said, you know, check your fingernail test, and I can feel just a little tiny lip on it, so I'm going to sand that out, and then I'll move on. Okay guys, I can still see a little bit of it. I may, before I put everything together, work on a little more. What I've read is that if you're going to do this, it's out of the question the crank coming out. You know, to sand it down, polish it until there's no high spot, lips or anything like that. And, okay, there it is right there. And, okay. Anyway, I've sanded it down. It's nice and smooth. There's no high spots on it. I can still see a little tiny ding, and I may do a little more on it. I'm just not sure. But I'm gonna continue inspecting others, and I've already taken this one off here, number 2, and I haven't seen any on that. And the rest of them are pretty good, except I don't know if you remember from a past video, but number 5 back there, number 5 back there, if I can find it. I don't know. I'm not looking at through the camera. I'm just guesstimating. And number 5, I put a pretty good ding on it, and I sanded it out, got the high spots off of it, but there's definitely a good, about a 1/4 of an inch long, thin scratch in it, kind of a deep scratch. And like I said, I did the best I could, and really nothing I could do about it. I'm gonna have to go with it.
So I may take a break and get off the Jeep for a while and relax, because I've been working pretty hard on my WJ. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next update.